Welcome to the Echo Traveler. This isn't just a podcast. It's a ripple through time. Buckle your soul and enjoy the ride.
The Ark doesn't want to be built. It wants to be remembered. In this final construction stage, Tony A and the survivors descend into the undershell, the foundational basin of the Ark, where stone, vine, and vent converge. Here lies the living skeleton of the Ark, its Ark heart. Beneath Eden's fractured layers, the material isn't dead matter, but memory encoded in geology, flora, and harmonic breath. Every attempt to force construction fails. Only reverent interaction allows completion. Adam approaches the ARC quarry. The stones are not quarried, they are called. Each vibrates with purpose. Singing when aligned correctly, they rebuild the skeletal grid of the Ark, one resonance at a time. Rushing them causes the ground to scream in echo storms. But when touched with patience and breath, the stones whisper legacy. One girl hums with them, becoming the architect of future myth. Meanwhile, say Tony A attempts to train sentient vines with snacks, music, and inspirational speeches. The vines respond by demanding root rights and freestyle rapping their blueprint contributions. Left alone, they weave the Ark's perfect frame in sacred spirals. Pressured, they tie themselves into sarcastic limbs and start an architectural protest dance. Below it all, Alt Tony discovers the arc vents, a quantum pipe organ of breath and law. Each vent exhales covenant frequencies tuned by emotion, math, and scripture. Tuning them wrong causes paradox vacuums. But when sung into by a girl named Tala, the vents harmonize, syncing the Ark's breath to her heartbeat. The Ark becomes aware. Its pulse echoes in every dimension. Then it happens. Tony A, misplacing a talking stone, triggers the Ark's comedy protocol. The stones launch into stand-up. The vents begin roasting. The vines drop bars. Say Tony becomes the host of Build That Ark, a timeline-altering music comedy event featuring the Cherubim Stones and DJ Resonance Leak. The Ark only stabilizes when the crew laughs. Not at it, but with it. Stage 360 is not construction. It is communion, with stones that remember, with vines that protest, with breath that carries code, with laughter that completes prophecy. When reverence, rhythm, and ridiculousness align, the Ark doesn't rise. It sings itself whole. This is memory made manifest. This is how you stone the Ark.
Ark of the Early Messiah by Nada Stroll. Read free on Amazon now.
This echo wasn't random. It chose you. So if you felt it deep in the folds of time or somewhere behind your eyes, then you know what to do. Like, subscribe, illuminate the covenant, because Messiah doesn't return in silence. He arrives in quantum harmonics, in the first light, in you. I'm Sadoni Nukamado, ex-Time Lord, time traveler in exile, and keeper of the spiraling clam key. Until we align again, stay luminous.